7 shot, 2 dead after party on Olympic Way in St. Andrew.
Jesus Christ!
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, 7 people were shot while patrons were making their way home on Saturday night, the 20th of March, from a party which was held early on Olympic Way in St. Andrew. 2 men have so far died from the gun attack, the police are reporting.
Bugman,
The 2 deceased have been identified as 26-year-old Jerome Barnett, otherwise called Bugman, and 46-year-old Clarke, otherwise called Bums. According to the police, the men were walking home after the party about 8:45 p.m. when a car drove up. Its occupants immediately opened fire, hitting the 2 men and the 5 other people.
Jesus Christ! Oh God!
They were all taken to hospital where Barnett and Clarke were pronounced dead. The conditions of the other victims were not known at the time of this publication. The deceased are both from the Bay Farm area of Kingston 11. Meanwhile, cops had to shut down more parties, and several partygoers arrested in West Kingston on Friday night, the 18th of March.
you want to take off it out?
According to the JCF, the parties occurred in Denham Town and Tivoli Gardens. The police say several arrests were made after the partygoers failed to comply with instructions. Pieces of sound system equipment were also seized as part of the crackdown. Members of the security forces also arrested over 100 people on Saturday night, the 20th of March, after they were found at a party in Hopetown, Papine, St. Andrew.
I take 30 seconds.
The police say the persons arrested will face charges under the Disaster Risk Management Act, and the promoters will face additional charges under the Noise Abatement Act.
Wow, no bad man. You see a big people, just know that. Go up in a truck. Go up in a truck, boy. Stop it talking. I get two out of it now.
Get a better shot that way. Get a better shot.
Come here.
Yo, you left with the background noise, please. You do the background noise.
Your phone is show clear. Get a zoom on it.
I'm getting a zoom.
Yeah.
This can't hold all of them. Go up in our bus. No mask.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!